up, gang? Welcome back to the YouTube channel, Lowriding with Preston. We got another episode number 2. So you weren't supposed to laugh. Can't help yourself. But check it out today on Lowriding with Preston. We picked up some shirts. We're gonna head back to the house. We're going to get these shirts pressed, ready to be sent out. We got a couple orders going out. I will give you guys a preview. So the shirts that we are pressing up today, they've already been posted on Instagram. The Instagram family knows about the shirt. So they know about the shirts that are being sold. I have quite a few orders to fill. So we're gonna go today. Look at that place, it's flooded.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah. So they know about the shirts on Instagram. Head over to the Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, no, grindhouse_TV. I'll leave the link or the information in the description below. So that's one thing on our checklist. We're gonna go ahead and get that those shirts printed out. After we get that done, and Chloe got to do a little bit of shopping today, right?
Oh,
yeah. So went to go do that. So that's where we're headed right now. I have more shirts on the way. So in case I sell out on the merch that I have, I'm gonna go ahead and re-up, make sure everybody gets their orders. People that do order, I will leave the, if you want a shirt, I'll show you the shirts. I will leave the link in the description below to the Shopify. You're getting a Grindhouse TV sticker with the shirts as well. But we got our load of shirts. I actually found a place in town that sells the shirts that I can buy them by bulk without having to take the trip to LA to go get the shirts. So that's actually a plus right there. It saves me the time of driving into the city. But outside of that, we're gonna go grab some lunch, check in with you in a minute. All right, so as promised, guys, I hope you guys can see this. I'm probably hella close to the camera. But I got my prints in. Basically, I ordered these from Super Color, designed by me, Lowrider for life. It's a new line that I'm coming out with. Like I said, if you're not subscribed, if you're not following Grindhouse_TV, is where all the merch is gonna be at. Right now, I'm doing a giveaway on a jersey that I'm doing right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and press this up real quick. Basically, what I did was I made the design off of my Mac over here. I did it all and then sent it off to a company that actually does plastic solid transfers. And basically what it is it's like a screen printed t-shirt, but they, instead of screen printing the t-shirt, they just press it onto a sheet of whatever this is right here. And so it's really good quality. As you guys can see, let me show you real quick. So basically this is the hoodie. Let's see it, switch it or certified. These will probably be coming out a little bit bigger. And the back, the Lowrider for life. So you already know what time it is. This right here, I'm gonna have hoodies. That's the first jersey that I'm doing. It's gonna be a jersey. And of course we're gonna have t-shirts, but wintertime, we're almost going into spring, so I'm not really too concerned with coming out with too many hoodies. I'm gonna sell a few. I know the t-shirts, once I posted them, they started selling pretty quick. So yeah, if you wanna support, it's a Shopify store. The link is in the bio of the Instagram, which I'm gonna leave in the description below. Further ado, let's get to it. All right, so let's go ahead and press the front of the jersey. With this, the jersey is kind of thick. You have these buttons in between. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ride this off to the side. You want a left print, so facing you is gonna be right there. The good thing is the left side of any jersey is not going to have a button on that side. So what I'm going to do is let's go ahead and button up this top piece here so that we can get wrong hole fold. All right, so we got this top one right here. Bam, there we go. So there's our back of the jersey, right? Fire, bro. Okay, so we got that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay this down. We're gonna lay it down on our even surface. Like I said, this pulls out, so, and then this little sheet that comes along with it pulls out as well. So we're gonna go there with it. Bam, make sure we're even. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unbutton this side. And bam, so we have that there. All right, so we got our working surface. Now I don't know how exactly this is going to press. Like I said, this is the first edition, so I don't know how it's gonna press with this line right here, but hopefully we can get it even enough press to where it's pretty even. So we're gonna grab our front logo here, right? We're gonna go right here with it. Usually want to do about 4 fingers down. Being that this is a jersey, I want it kind of centered. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Boom, right there. Okay. And then Teflon sheet down, same thing. Let's go ahead and pull that off. Let's get a pre-press on that. So boom, press, 4 seconds. Pretty good, nice and warm, flat surface. Then you can kind of eyeball the jersey. What I'm gonna do is right where this little bevel is, where it goes down, I'm just gonna center it up right there. Maybe move it in a little bit. This one's fairly easy because I can kind of just look at it. Tail, we're gonna go right there with it. Might go a little higher just for aesthetic looks. Yeah, so we're eyeballing that. That looks pretty good. Let's see how this turns out. Let's go. Let's get our press. Boom. Gonna go 15 seconds. There it is. All right, so we got our beat. Pull him up. Quick peel. Oh, everything straight, came out cool. Do another press down. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that's basically what it is, guys. We pressed up a jersey, first jersey. There it is. Boom, you already know. So that's episode 2. Down to ready to go, hot off the presses. Episode 3 probably go down tomorrow. Homie Israel might stop by. We're gonna chase some vacuum lines, make sure we're not leaking. We wanna go and clean out a couple things in there. Like I said, just small maintenance stuff along the way. We have a direction I wanna go with this car, and then hopefully be done by Easter. We'll find out if we get the deadline. So for the most part, this video is just to show you guys, whether you're into low riding, skateboarding, whatever the case may be, you can press up your own t-shirts. You can start a brand if you want to. You could make low riding merch. You can basically do it on your own. And I'm big on quality, so if I got the sheets and they didn't come back exactly how I liked them, I would not put merch out. This is good quality, feels good. You know, there's a couple different ways you can make shirts. You just want to be careful because some is better quality than the other. More is cost expensive. I'm not a professional by any means, but I'm also not opening a print shop. This is basically for people that follow the niche, follow my channel, and has a love for lowriding. All right, so what I'm gonna do is we're gonna do a giveaway. I'm gonna give away a jersey, hoodie, and a t-shirt, along with the official Grindhouse TV sticker. What you gotta do is you gotta go over, first you gotta subscribe to this channel. You have to hit the like button and then go ahead and hit that notification bell. Go to Grindhouse_TV, finally got it right, and follow that. And then I'll have all the information on the giveaway over there. Other than that, I appreciate everybody who's watching. Like I said, this was basically an informational video. I just wanted to help whoever had any questions. If you have further questions, go ahead and comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you like. Let me know what you dislike. Let me know what you use if you're already doing this. But other than that, we will have episode 3 record it tomorrow. Like I said, the homie Israel's gonna stop by. We're gonna work on victory lap. So other than that, man, everybody stay blessed, you know, and treat somebody good. Peace to the next one.